Americans mad as heck at big American banks and the ones particularly raising credit card fees while making profits. Earlier this week, David Muir took on this issue, and tonight he's back with a grassroots movement crying enough. Ahead of the sheriff, banks are racing to slap on new fees. And
it was Monday, our report on banks raising rates on credit cards before those new rules protecting consumers can take effect. And we heard from you. One viewer emailed, "We bail them out and they raise rates. Priceless." But many of you took it a step further. Fight the power, wrote one. Another writes, "My secret, very simple, a credit card from a credit union." And it turns out thousands of Americans are doing the same thing, trading their banks on Wall Street for the ones on Main Street.
And I'm here at Bank of America, I'll show you, to close my account.
This woman even documented the move on YouTube after her credit card rate jumped to 27%.
Basically just closed out both of my accounts, gave me some money, and now I'm on my way. But, weird.
The Huffington Post website is urging its readers to move your money.
Don't look now, but there's something going on over there at the bank, George.
Even posting a film with clips of Jimmy Stewart's iconic small-town banker, George Bailey. Ariana Huffington told me, put in your zip code and they'll find you a hometown bank.
The response has been dramatic. Over half of the zip codes in the country have already been searched.
81% of the banks that failed last year were these smaller community banks.
The only banks that come up when you put in your zip code are solvent, secure banks.
Ariana, you know a lot of people are going to look at this and say you're encouraging, though, a run on the bank.
I'm convinced that when the big banks see real competition from the community banks and credit unions, they will change their behavior.
In fact, there's a fast-growing Facebook group dedicated to this. April Schiller switched. How amazing, she writes, to actually talk to humans who remember me. So we went to find her at her new hometown bank.
I received thank yous. I got a hand-signed Christmas card from them, which I was really impressed with. It was great.
So, David, how many people are we talking about?
Well, take the Facebook page in particular, the group dedicated to moving your money. It started just a week and a half ago. Tonight, it's more than 8,000 members. And you'll remember the American Bankers Association talked to us earlier this week saying, if you don't like these rising rates, you can vote with your feet and go to a competitor. Tonight, proof that some customers, very angry customers, are doing just that.